Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're not doing a really big install today because there's snow in the ground, and there's been a lot of snow on the ground for like a week and a half now. And last week, I'm sorry I didn't post a video. I was too tired because I'm one of those very lucky individuals that gets to go and shovel the snow to make sure everybody else can walk. So today we're just going to talk about some of the future projects we're going to do. One of them is we've had these Pioneer speakers just laying around for quite a while. I'm just gonna put them in the front of the Jeep. They're pretty and they're blue. So maybe next week we'll put these in the doors on the Jeep. And then another one is we're gonna put in these front shocks. They're just Gabriel Guardians from AutoZone. I bought them for the black Jeep in the last video, and then I wrecked it before I replaced the shocks. I already put the rear shocks on here, and I'm having trouble getting motivated to put the front shocks on because that was kind of a fiasco. Most of you know, with the Jeep Cherokees, you always break the upper shock bolts. They break. It happens. But somehow I managed to break the stud on the driver's side as well. That was not fun to deal with. How I fixed that was I bought this Zone off-road relocation brackets because they came with this thing. Came with this little stud. So I just drilled it out and put this on the stock bracket. And then a few other things we're gonna do. I don't know for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna bedline the entire bumpers or if I'm just gonna replace the driver's side end caps. This poor Jeep's been through some stuff. I went to work one day over summer, and I guess this kid was having a bad morning because he managed to hit 3 vehicles in the parking lot, including this Jeep. So the front end cap was nice and dented. It sat in the sun for a week, so the dent came out, but it's still all scratched up and needs to be painted. I sanded it down a little, but I haven't painted it yet. We can go look at that. And the rear one, somebody needs to remember what 4-wheel drive is for when there's slush on the road. I was turning out of my work parking lot, and it's a right turn. But I was turning out of that parking lot and there was slush right there. And I guess I was going a little too fast, or I hit the gas too hard. So the back end swung out into the other lane, and then this white Chevy hits the back end. No real damage. There's a tiny dent and it knocked the end cap off, but now the end cap needs to be painted. It would have cracked the tail light, but this tail light was already cracked and glued together when I bought the Jeep, so that's no big deal. We'll probably also paint this little bezel piece around the radio here. So, yeah, I just don't know. Maybe silver, like I do everything, because silver just looks good with red. I know that this Jeep needs front axle U-joints. Can't get motivated to do that either. I took it in for an alignment after that kid hit it in the parking lot. And took it to Meineke, and they told me that it needs front axle U-joints and front axle seals. I've watched a few videos, I'm pretty sure I can do it, I just really don't want to. That was a lot of work. And this is the daily driver, so we don't really have time to be tearing things apart to try and put it together. Because more often than not, we're tearing apart that thing over there to try and fix it. The thing out there by the seatbelt. It's an 86 CJ7 and it always needs something. I'll show you what I ended up doing with the pockets instead of leaving them where they were. So I ended up putting one up here with my license and my insurance and registration, and I put another one over there that holds sunglasses and little paperwork and stuff. And we'll go look at those headlight bezels and show you pictures of the shock, even though there's snow on the ground and I'm not gonna get all the way down there. So yeah, you can see a small dent, and there's all the scuffs in the paint. And then we'll walk to the back of the Jeep, and there's a little dent like right here by the gas cap, and then it's all messed up. And then on the driver's side, I'll try and show you what I did. You can see the little head of it. And then I took it in to get the wheels balanced and they forgot one of the lug nuts, so I stole one of the purple ones from the CJ that we took off. Anyways, then there's that. And maybe, and you can't quite see that. Yeah. Maybe you can see it from this angle. No. I was also trying to show you what I did for the upper shock bolt that broke. All I did was I put the bolt in upside down and held it with the enclosed end of the wrench and just tightened the nut on the little T-bar on the shock. That's not exactly the same because it's from the front. But anyways, if you like this video, like and subscribe. More coming. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I was also trying to show you what I did for the upper shock bolt that broke. All I did was I put the bolt in upside down and held it with the enclosed end of the wrench and just tightened the nut on the little T-bar on the shock. That's not exactly the same because it's really front. Anyways, if you like this video, like and subscribe. More coming. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.